was raining when I left the salon, so I wanted Mika to wrap up my hair. So I didn't get to wear it out. So I'm gonna take it down and I'm gonna show you what I'm working with. Morning, y'all. I'm gonna try to make this quick because I could not get up. I had a show last night. It was hard for me to get up and I don't want to be late for my appointment, but today I'm going to get my hair washed and straightened. So I'm excited about that. Oh, and trimmed and cut because my hair is dry. I'm gonna show y'all.
And the ends are looking basura.
Just look at all of this. I'm gonna show you so we can compare later. So I think that all this length that I have when I get my hair cut, it's gonna be like much shorter because I think I have two oddly long pieces and the rest of my hair might not be as long as this one. So yeah. I just took twists out because I had on like a wig yesterday for my show. And we're gonna see what happens later. I'll be back later. Going to get my hair done by Mika English. I'm excited because I wanted to get this done for a while now. And I was trying to wait until like dance was gonna slow down a little bit so I wouldn't sweat out my hair. But I'm getting my hair either trimmed or cut. We're gonna see. Washed and pressed. And we're gonna see what's up. And I'm gonna ask her if I can record the process to see, so you guys can see how it is at that salon, or like, you know, what she does, so you can go to her if you like what she does, which I'm sure you will, because I see great results and I know people that work with her that go to her salon. So we're gonna see for ourselves. I'm so tired. I just threw on clothes today, but I mean, I still feel like I look cute. I got my Snipes hoodie, my little belt around. I just got on some joggers and my dance sneakers. My hat. This is definitely not a hat. My Rugrats jacket, or members only jacket. And I have on a bucket hat because, of course, my hair is not done under here. So, yeah, I'm about to miss this bus. Dang. All right, y'all, I'm out. Oh, I don't want to miss the bus. Ugh, somebody over there. They are not. Can you wait? Go. Oh, this. All right, so I'm back. I'm here at the spot. It's across the street. I don't know if you can see it, but it's down that way. Can't really see it, but it's raining, so I'm about to put my phone away. And I asked prior if I can record, and I can't record the process, so I'm just going to record a before and after of my hair. So stay tuned for that.
Am I talking too much, right?
No, you are perfect. Thank you. So I liked going to Mika's salon. I feel like it was a great experience getting my hair done. As soon as I walked in, I was ready to get my hair detangled and washed, as you see in the pictures. I forgot the lady's name who did my hair. I believe her name is Shay. Well, her nickname is Shay. She did a great job, was very gentle with my hair. She asked me questions about my hair, and she also let me know what she was doing to my hair when she was doing it. Very informative about the product, and I think that was really great. So then I went to Mika to get my hair straightened, blow dried, all of that good stuff. And she was not blow drying it where I can feel so much heat like I usually have felt in the past when I went to the Dominicans. No shade, but you feel all the heat and all the tugging. With Mika, I did not feel any of that. It was a smooth process. She was holding it in a way where it wasn't too much heat being directed on my hair, and I love the results. It came out great, and I would definitely go back to get a silk press done from her again. When I seen my hair, I was super hyped. It had so much shine and body, and the length, I was a little bit surprised by it. And she cut off a good amount, but it was necessary. I was just so happy to finally see my hair like this. I haven't gotten my hair done professionally in about 4 to 5 years, and when I did that a long time ago, it was once real quick. What's up, guys? I'm back, and it was raining when I left the salon, so I wanted Mika to wrap up my hair, so I didn't get to wear it out. I should take this off. Yep, so you can see the length. Ugh, I'm probably gonna mess this up. I'm gonna try not to. It's already coming down. All right, we're gonna do this together. Let's get it. I'm gonna look this way in the mirror first. Let me use this comb. Oh, you see that already? Ooh, already? Ooh, all right. Let me do this. Let me not play around. Yo, I haven't had my hair like this for, well, this is my first silk press ever. This is my first silk press ever, but I had the last time I had my hair done professionally was like, what, maybe 4 years ago? And I got like a blowout from the Dominicans, so yeah. Look at this. All right, so let's do a little hair and length check. The front, it's bumped a little bit, so. Front, like right here, by the esophagus, where it start. Yeah, where it start. These are my sides. Yeah. I felt like she cut like a good amount off, and I was just like, no. But I know it needed to be done. And the back. So right here of my back, I guess this is where this part stops. It was definitely a little longer, but of course I needed to not use that. Yo, this is looking like a weave. Ooh. Dang, I should have told her which way I wanted it wrapped. No, this is the right way. I like my hair this way. Never mind. But yeah, this is my hair. I got it done by Mika at Ursula Salon. I believe that's what it's called. Ursula Salon. That's just it. In Brooklyn. And she did a great job. Love it. Ooh. It has a lot of shine and bounce. I love it. I told myself I was gonna have at least bra strap length here in 2020. So let's go. Let's go. Boom. About to go out. I'm gonna brush down. Well, with a paddle brush, some of these edges right here. Cause yeah. And I'm out. Later.